Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, we are a minimalist family of 7. So we have 5 children and myself and my husband. And today I'm going to show you what we got for our 12-year-old son for his birthday. If you had seen our previous video, I had done one about my daughter who was 4 turning 5 and what we got and how we do birthdays. And I had a couple of people comment back to me saying that they were interested in seeing what we were going to do for our older son. I think as kids get older, minimalism gets a little bit more complicated, so I thought I would show you. So normally what we would do is aim for between about $50 to $70 on gifts for our children, and then we do a experience, so whether that be a birthday party or Build-A-Bear workshops or bowling or rock climbing or zoos or theme parks. We've done a lot of different things. This time we've got a really special experience for Seth. I'll leave some clips of that after this video to show you. So we're really excited. It's a big surprise for him and we know he's gonna love it. So I thought I would go through with you what we had bought for him really quickly, just in case you're curious or if you have a child that age as well. So a little while ago, our Target had a huge sale on boys' clothes, and they had these great Star Wars t-shirts. Seth loves Star Wars, so I know he's really gonna like this. It's one of the shirts he's got quite a few already, and they're the ones he favors. So I've bought that in the next size up for him, so he'll be able to get a lot of wear out of that. That actually was marked down to $1. Can you believe it? I don't. And it came with this free projector torch, and I don't know if he's going to be a bit too old to really enjoy it, but I think it'll be a bit of fun even if he plays with it with his sisters and not with the cool kids. I also got him a really nice long sleeve shirt just for wearing out or going to church. He's sort of just in that stage of going up a size, and I thought we're sort of in the middle of coming into summer, but this will see him right through till next winter and maybe even the one after. So this was also $1 from the Target sale. I got these a few months ago and I just put them away ready for his birthday. So one of the things he had specifically asked us for was a set of headphones, and my husband and I had researched and we really felt like the most beneficial for him would be a wireless pair. We spend a lot of time traveling in the car. He loves to game and he loves to watch things on the laptop. So we invested in these pair of Moki, I think that's how you say it, Moki headphones. They're wireless, they've got a quick charge, they've got like an 8-hour time on them. They fold up nice and small. So we really felt like this was a good investment for him. So these were $50, but they were something we would need to purchase for him anyway as he's heading into high school and his studies. We thought this was really good. So we got those. Now, if you've seen my Clean With Me video, you know that Seth is really into Rubik's Cubes. I'll link that video up here if you haven't seen it. So there's a website here in Australia called speedcube.com.au, and Seth has been on there looking at different ones and he couldn't quite pick what he wanted. So what I did is I went on there and ordered him just a generic speed cube. He loves them, he uses them every day, and I thought, look, even if he's got a spare, if he wants to keep it here or take it in his school bag or whatever, he's got that. So this was $15 delivered, and it's a speed cube, Rubik's Cube, and so I hope he'll really enjoy that. We've also asked from our extended family that if they would like to give him money so that he can either save up for a video game that he was wanting or some of the more expensive Rubik's Cubes that are available, and then he has the opportunity to decide. So he's now at that age where he can decide what he would like to do. So the only other thing I got for him is chewing gum. This stuff is like currency in our house. I know he'll really like it. He can take it with him in his school bag or keep it in the car or whatever he wants to do with it, but it was just a little fun gift. And I'll probably get him a little bag of candy or something like that to go with his presents. But as you can see, it's very minimal. We try and keep the focus on experiences rather than things, and we've also got some money for him to pick what he would like. So I will link now to some video of us doing this amazing experience for his birthday. So at this point, it is actually a surprise for Seth. So you can see me leading him here through Surfers Paradise on the Gold Coast, and we are approaching our destination, which is padlocked escape rooms. And if you have never done an escape room, it is the most fun. So this experience that we did was perfect for children. I would say 10 and up. If you've got kids that are 10 and older, they will absolutely love it. You can see me here, I'm explaining to him what it is because he's not completely sure, but he is super excited to do it once we get upstairs. And we just had the best time. So in this waiting area outside, you can play games and sit and chat while you're waiting till you go into your escape room. Of course, we couldn't film in there because it's all going to be a big surprise, but it was the best experience, completely worth every cent we paid for it. And as you can see, we escaped. It was so much fun, and Seth absolutely loved it. So after we had finished at the escape rooms, we went to one of our favorite vegan restaurants. It's a vegan buffet and it is called Govinda's. And if you are on the Gold Coast, I highly recommend it. Here's just a little bit of footage of Seth on the morning of his birthday where he unwrapped his presents. As you can see, I've got his little table set up with all his presents and he's just going to open them. He had such a lovely day and he really enjoyed everything we got for him. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, as always, please leave me a comment down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, we would love you to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.